Welcome back to Tech and Cryptos everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of changing region on Netflix. By changing the region, you'll be able to watch other videos on Netflix which are currently not available on yours. So the only way that you can change region on Netflix is by using a VPN. You can easily find VPNs on the Play Store or the App Store if you're using a mobile device, or you can also find VPNs on the desktop. The one that I use is Proton VPN. You can find this on both desktop and the app. It is a free VPN to use and it has 3 connections: Japan, Netherlands and the United States. You can easily connect to any one of them, or you can also tap on this white icon and it's going to give you the fastest server available. But in your case, if you want to watch videos from a particular country or from a country where the video is available, you can just connect to that country, for example United States, and once the connection has been secured, you can now open up Netflix and then you can search for the movie or the video that you want to watch, and this time you'll be able to see the video without any restriction. Free VPNs, however, do not have more flexibility. If you want more flexibility, then you'll need to use a paid VPN, and that way you'll be able to connect to more locations and more countries. So that's the process of changing region on Netflix. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this. Until then, keep watching.